Hi, in this video we can see the proxy setting details from Google Chrome. So how we can go from Google Chrome to settings in our laptop. Okay, how it will redirect from Chrome browser to settings page in our laptop. Okay, so open a Google Chrome and go to customize and control Google Chrome option and click on settings, and here we can see the option system. Click on this. Okay, here we can see open your computer's proxy settings. Okay, so if I click this option, it will redirect to settings page in my laptop. Okay, so here we came to settings page, and here we can see automatic proxy setup. I have enabled by default automatically detect settings. I made it as enable, and if you want to set the proxy setup, use a proxy server. Okay, if you want to make a setup, click the setup option and enable this proxy server option, and provide a proxy IP address and port number, and click on save option, so that it will take a proxy server details here. Thank you for watching the video. Please see description for more videos, and please subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.